Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is a package of 500 AI prompts that you can use inside ChatGPT or Google Bard or Microsoft Copilot to successfully create marketing campaigns and plans and optimize them to successfully manage and promote your business. The prompts are categorized into the following sections. Strategic thinking to develop a successful marketing framework for rising brand awareness. Marketing plan to create a comprehensive marketing using various strategies and social media features to promote your business. Campaign development to create both online and offline campaigns introducing your business and new products to existing and new emerging markets. Data-driven analysis to check different sources of data and generate quantitative and qualitative scenarios to develop a health marketing suggestions. Optimization to improve current marketing modules and frameworks to achieve optimal performance. Here are a couple of sample prompts. First, from Strategic Thinking section. Brainstorm innovative guerrilla marketing ideas for a small budget. Encourage creative thinking to generate low-cost, high-impact marketing initiatives that grab attention and create buzz. Second, from Marketing Plan section. Define measurable key performance indicators (KPIs) for your business marketing plan, encompassing metrics such as customer acquisition cost, conversion rates, and return on investment. Establish a system for regular monitoring and adjustment based on performance data. Just add your business type in the brackets section. This prompt asks for performance indicators regarding your business and supplies some examples to the AI system and then asks for a monitoring system based on the suggested criteria. The full package, which contains similar 500 prompts, is available from the link in the details section. That's it for this video. See you in upcoming videos.